Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from Get.io to your bank account. So quickly open up your Get.io application. When you open up your Get.io application, it will then look like this at the home page. So as you can see, it's still loading, but once it finishes loading, we shall see and we shall learn how to withdraw to the bank account. So quickly I'll take it back to the home page. Alright, so I think the network is a bit slow here, but I'll quickly take it back to the home page so that I can show you from the start. Alright, so finally it's now heading to the home page. So let's wait for it to finish loading and then we shall see what it looks like. So at the home page it looks like this. So to withdraw to your bank account, you come to assets here. When you come to assets, make sure that you link to your credit card. If you didn't link, you can follow my steps. Then you come to withdraw over here. Alright, so when you come to withdraw over here, you choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. So I would advise you to choose the more option over here, okay, and then look for the peer-to-peer transaction or peer-to-peer sales. So you come here to spot wallet and then you tap on withdraw. So quickly, I'm assuming you have some USDT that you want to withdraw into your bank account. So tap on withdraw there. Then when you tap on withdraw over here, you then choose the withdraw account or the withdraw method you want to choose. So I'll choose fiat, the last one, and then this one will automatically take you to the bank transfer. Okay, as you can see, bank transfer option is loading here. So let's wait and see. So how much USDT do you have? I'm assuming you have 25. Okay, 44 USDT. Okay, 45. And when you transfer 45 USDT, you get 39 euros because 1 USDT equals 0.9 euros. So you're sending to which bank? For my case, I'll be sending to bank over here. Then I'll tap on agree and continue. Then I'll tap on sell and quickly I'll be able to sell to this bank account of mine that I linked to my Get.io. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. We shall meet once again.